follow for part 2.
Recently, Anders Lind just defeated Wang Chuqin in the WTT China Smash 2024. What is his equipment? Is a Danish table tennis player. Anders von Lavergen Pegu Lind, a name synonymous with excellence in Danish table tennis, has left an indelible mark on the sport. Born on December 14, 1998 in Horsholm, Denmark, Lind's journey to becoming a prominent figure in table tennis is nothing short of remarkable. Anders Lind Equipment. Anders Lind is sponsored by Donic. His blade and his rubbers are from Donic. Blade, Donic, original true carbon forehand rubber, Donic Blue Grip C2 backhand rubber, Donic Blue Storm Pro. Anders Lind has also confirmed his equipment.
Det er vildt. Jamen det...
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.